what's going on? Good morning, guys. So I've got a fan shaft assembly to replace these bearings. Actually, you can see that one right there. It's kind of got thrown out. Bearings are starting to make some noise, rattling. I asked for a fan shaft assembly and they sent me just the two bearings and the fan shaft. I wanted to get that as well, but I could pop it off and reuse it. I don't see an issue with it. And then also I've got the motor, because the motor bearings on the original are starting to make some noise as well. So nice complete job here we're going to do today. I had to bring off the top and the bottom to be able to pop that fan assembly off. So we'll start putting it together and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so I've got the fan wheel already placed on the shaft, locked in, as well as the pulley. I'm gonna lock these bearings in once I set this in the unit. That way it makes it a little bit easier instead of having to figure out where more or less they're gonna line up. I mean, I could reference where they were originally, but I think it's gonna be easier to just have them loose like that. That way it kind of also helped me navigate it into the unit, you'll see. Alright, so in order for me to be able to lift this blower assembly up and out, I had to take off the motor base, or I'm sorry, not the motor base, but the bearing base where this assembly sat. It goes bolted. You got one bearing right here, there's a bearing right there. I had to take. Okay, before we go locking these collars, let's line up this pulley. So I think I got pretty well centered. See if I can shine some light in there. It's kind of difficult to see. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but that looks pretty darn good. I'm happy with that. Alright, here goes the last set screw. Alright, so we're good. We're good with this fan shaft assembly. Everything's lined up. Nothing's scratching. Everything's looks like it's got pretty good clearance. I've got good clearance between the blower motor and the. Alright, so I've got an original motor. I'm gonna go ahead and mark off the base, so that way I can fit the new motor lined up with this mark. If you have something that's an aftermarket OEM, you're probably not going to get that lined up with the new motor that you've got. But this one is original, it's factory original, so I'm going to mark it off. the ceiling put together. Definitely quieter than a good one. And, just clean up all my workspace, pick up the tools, and that's it. Thanks for watching.